इंजीनियरिंग से रिलेटेड छोटी बड़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए सब्सक्राइब करिए हमें।
Hi and welcome to Student Capri. This is Ashika and another episode with me where I'm going to review an institution which is quite prestigious. It's known as IIT Delhi, which stands on second position when it comes to NIRF ranking in engineering category. So it is designed by, I think, every single BTech aspirant. So in this video, we'll cover each and every aspect with different parameters. So let's get started. So this institution was established in the year 1961. It's autonomous institutions located in Delhi NCR. It is UGC approved, AIC accredited and spread over 325 acres. Means you'll find a large green campus when it comes to IIT Delhi. Apart from it, we'll be talking about what are the courses and fee structure offered by IIT Delhi. So it offers various courses which includes BTech, MBA, MTech, PhD, MSc, BTech plus MTech integrated courses. But this college is known for its BTech courses more. So if I talk about, the specialization, the branches offered by IIT Delhi includes chemical engineering, civil engineering, biotechnology and biochemical engineering, computer science engineering, electrical engineering, engineering physics, industrial and production engineering, mathematics and computing, mechanical engineering, power engineering, textile engineering. A lot of students have this question in their mind that what are these branches? Like, I haven't heard about textile engineering, or let's say I haven't heard about mathematics and computing. So we have also made videos. We'll also made videos on branches where a counselor will guide you that what are these branches, what are the scopes, what are the salary opportunities and everything. So for that you can stay tuned with Student Capri. Apart from it, we'll talk about other courses offered by IIT Bombay, which includes MBA. It offers in general and telecommunication system management. And then apart from this, MSc you can do it in biochemical engineering and biotechnology, computer science engineering, applied mechanics, telecommunication and technology management. Not just this, you can do Masters of Science in chemical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering and information technology. So you can do your Masters of Science in all these branches. Apart from this, they also offered integrated course which includes BTech and Masters of Technology. MTech includes from chemical engineering, computer science, biochemical engineering, biotechnology, electrical engineering, information and communication technology, and not just this, mathematics and computing. My God, hell number of branches. You can just imagine that what number of students studied in IIT Delhi. So, on priority basis, we'll be covering at BTech department. So the approximately fee structure will be around 2 to 2.5 lakh rupees when it comes to their BTech courses. Now we'll be discussing about eligibility criteria and admission process. So you need to have minimum 75 percentile in your 12th standard if you want to go to IIT Delhi. Not just this, you have to go through both JEE Mains and Advanced. Based on your advanced rank, you will be then going for JOSA counseling, and through JOSA counseling you can get into IIT Delhi. So as it stands on second ranking, the cutoff will be like same way. But before that, I'll tell you a very, very important information about IIT Delhi. See, every single student wants to get into this institution, but it's not that easy. Let's say if not IIT, student desire to get into NITs or triple ITs or GFTIs, but the process is same. There is no jack when it comes to these institutions. So you need to go through JOSA counseling and you need to proper every single process properly. If you're gonna do a single mistake, you can get out of the whole counseling process. Listen to me. Listen on this carefully. So we'll make videos on counseling process also. So for that, you can stay tuned with Student Capri. And apart from this, if you don't want to experiment with your counseling process, you can book analytical counselor. You might have this question, what is analytical counselor? Analytical counselor stands for who do have experience of more than 5 years when it comes to counseling. They analyze your rank properly. As per that, they'll ask you for your college preference, your branch's preference, and they'll help you in terms of getting your desired college. If you want to know more about that, you can reach out to the number in the description box. Now we'll discuss cutoff, how easy or difficult when it comes to getting into IIT Delhi. Still, want to add that you cannot say that last year the cutoff was this, so this year it will go in the same way. It fluctuates when it comes to year by year. But still, we'll have a look that what is the approximately cutoff of 2019 when it comes to IIT Delhi. As we have seen that when it comes to IIT Bombay, computer science was opening on rank 1, whereas if I talk about IIT Delhi, the cutoff of last year 2019, computer science was open on the rank of 2 and it closed on 93. When it comes to chemical engineering, which is less demanded branch, you can get it between the rank of 1200 to 1900. If I talk about mechanical engineering, between the rank of 500 to 1200, and apart from this, electrical engineering stands for 300 to 460 rank. So this is approximately rankings cutoff when it comes to IIT Delhi. Now, apart from this, a very important parameter is placement, that what you're going to get end of the day when you're completing your BTech from IIT Delhi. So these are the top institutions, and you need to work very hard when it comes to getting into this institution. But let's have a look at IIT Delhi placements. So if I talk about the average placement offered by IIT Delhi, it was somewhere around 16 to 17 lakh rupees, where highest package was stands 1 crore 40 lakh rupees. If I talk about companies which comes for the placements, includes Microsoft, Uber, HCL, XL, Mastercard. You talk about Flipkart, IBM, a lot more companies comes every year when it comes to placement at IIT Delhi. The major profiles were for the placement were analytics and consulting. And not just this, within 5 days of placement, the student have witnessed 782 offers in IIT Delhi. Apart from this, you students get a lot of international placements also. You find a lot of startups comes out of IIT Delhi. It's not like that, let's say, they have an intake of 180 students. So every single student will participate in the placement cell, placement drive. I'm so sorry for that. A lot of students go for their masters, and few students, opt for doing their own startup. So, you'll find hostel facilities. A lot of curriculums happen during the year when it comes to IIT Delhi. Sports, you'll find a lot of sports activities, including cricket, basketball, football, and many more. But I'll give you a rough idea that how much this college invests for the, extracurricular, for the studies and everything when it comes to students. So I'll give you a rough idea by when it comes to library, they invest 16 crore 2 lakh rupees when it comes to library in the year 2018 and 19. When it comes to new equipments for laboratories, they have invested 179 crore rupees. And if I talk about engineering workshop, it was around 43 lakh 2,000 rupees. Apart from this, if I talk about salaries, it was around 314 crore rupees. And not just this, a very important section of mine, that is seminars, conference, workshop. It invests 1 crore 21 lakh rupees when it comes to seminars. So why I'm telling you this, it is very important because, I've seen this from a lot of students, now there is no such scope when it comes to being an engineer. It's not like that. What really matters is that how practically you're aware about engineering. Whenever you see around, you'll find every single thing created by engineers. So this is something which is offered by IITs because they do invest a lot of amounts. Either you talk about their faculties, their seminars, their webinars, and every single thing. So this was a review about IIT Delhi. I hope it was useful. If yes, do like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe because you'll be finding a lot of videos related to counseling and colleges. If you want to know more about analytical counselor, you can reach out to the number in the description box. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to make any video on any college or any topic. And till then, stay tuned with Student Khabri.
स्टूडेंट खबरी एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड छोटी बड़ी इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए सब्सक्राइब करिए हमें एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस बेल आइकॉन.